To transfer money to MoneyGram, you can do so through an agent or the MoneyGram online app. To find an agent location, search for MoneyGram agents near you on the MoneyGram website, and prepare for your visit by having your identification card, the recipient's full name and location, and the amount you wish to send, plus transfer fees. MoneyGram accepts cash, credit, or debit cards, and you will need to provide the agent with a complete form and applicable funds, including transfer fees. The agent will then issue you with an 8-digit reference number, which you will share with the recipient for pickup. Alternatively, you can use the MoneyGram online app by logging in to your profile or registering by downloading the app, providing your receiver's details and the amount of money you are sending, and choosing your payment method. After completing your transaction, the money will be available for pickup within minutes. Regardless of the payment method used, it is essential to double-check the details to ensure the information is accurate. And you can track your MoneyGram transfer using the 8-digit reference number.